How do I search for features or functions using the Help menu? Have you ever struggled with finding a particular menu item in Google Sheets? For example, where is the button to insert a checkbox? The search bar in the Help menu is a lifesaver when you're not sure where a specific feature is located. Or if you don't even know if a feature is available in Google Sheets but you want to check it out and see whether or not it is. When you open the menu and start typing a keyword like freeze rows or conditional formatting, you'll get a drop-down list of relevant options. You can save so much time using this feature. Clicking on one will either highlight where the feature is in the interface or take you directly to it. It's a great tool for discovering features you didn't know existed or forgot how to find. Let's practice that a little. Right now, my number in cell C4 is not formatted. Say you want to format the number, but don't know where to look in the menus. I can type format into search and get a list of options. Here you can see number format comes up. When I select that option, the number is formatted with a comma and 2 decimal places. Next, let's freeze rows. I'm going to highlight row 5 and then in the search menu type in freeze rows. Here you can see the option to freeze up to current row 5. When I select that option, freeze rows is activated on the sheet. To continue learning Google Sheets, dive into general navigation tips or dig into functions with one of these 2 videos next.